Hey, Grant Cardone here. I hope you're doing well today. I got a little rule for you. I promise you, if you follow this, you'll get rich. This needs to be guaranteed richness. If you can figure out the 40% rule, which basically says you're going to take 40% of your income and you're going to store it to invest before you start buying dumb stuff. Your expenses are going to stay in that 60% bracket, includes taxes, basic living. If you want to have enough money to have financial freedom, get your income to where you can store 40%. That means you're going to live on the 60%. Taxes, housing, water, utilities, taking care of your kids, the basic things. Never increase that. What I want you to do is focus on increasing the amount of money you store. If you use this rule, I guarantee you and your family will have financial freedom. So you're gonna have to raise your income to the point to where 40% can be left over. This is called your first, your money first, not the IRS first, not the IRA first, you first, your family first, pay you first, 40% stays with you, live on the 60%, guarantee you'll get rich, okay? Hit the link below, I'll teach you exactly what it takes to do this. Do it over long periods of time, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be hiring a pilot and teaching him the 40% rule.